Alright, a lot has happened out here. The bumper's fully assembled. The headlights are in and adjusted. This front support crossbar is in and adjusted. These frame horns adjust, which is crazy. I've never seen a car where you can adjust the frame up and down, but that had to be done. Looking relatively good here. I did get the radiators today, so I'm going to be assembling that. Getting some stuff done here. Suck the air conditioning down real good. It's been holding at minus 30 for several hours. We're gonna fill her up. Okay, we're out here again. It's basically done. Looks awesome. Everything's lined up good, including the bad part of the hood.